What's going on with all my concept thinkers? Hey, today, Mrjhoward Concept Properties 1. Go ahead and hit like, subscribe, share. Today I'm going to be applying this, came from Lowe's, Homax Tough and Towel Tub Sink Refinishing Kit. Comes with some spray, I think it looks like a rat now, but it's like a little pad to scrub, abrasive pad, and some chemical. And make sure you read the instructions. All right, follow the instructions. So I've dealt with this before, but I've never dealt with a tub like this. I'll post a picture of the before on this tub so you can get a good look at how bad this tub actually was. Right now, I picked up a couple extra supplies. I have a scraper. I picked up some stainless steel Scotch Brite brushes. Scotch Brite brushes. I got some 320 sandpaper. 320 sandpaper, in which I just kind of balled up and helped me kind of get around the tub. I want to get a nice clean tub before I start playing with any of their chemicals. And I got some 120. This is more for stuff that's like really aggressive. Be careful with this. Don't dig too deep into it. And I also wouldn't recommend using a machine. I've been going back and forth over it. But I think based on how everything's looking, it's not needed. If you want to use like a palm sander, hand sander, whatever, go for it. Sorry guys, my jumpsuit button broke. So, boom. And then I got like I got some Brillo pads. All right. Didn't want the ones with the soap in it, but we'll use it. All of this is dry, so the tub is super dry. Sorry, probably be helpful if you see. All right, so at this point, I've already cleaned a good bit of it. All right. It was filthy. I'll have to show you guys how bad it is. I'm going to rip all that old caulk off and stuff. All right. I'm going to apply this stuff, continue to kind of scrub, and just really get it to where it's a nice clean surface. I want it as dry and as kind of raw as possible. It's actually starting to give it a little bit of a shine. Some of these areas, you're still going to see some browning, I'm noticing, no matter how much you scrub, how much you touch it up. That's okay, because you are literally going to paint this tub after you get finished. All right, so I'm going to, before I get to that point, I'm going to tape everything off. I think my tape is here somewhere. Yeah, so I'll tape everything off before I spray any of this stuff. Probably put a little bit of plastic, definitely down on the floor too, before I paint the side of the tub. And then the inside of the tub should be fine, because I want that spray to be nice and even. Tape off all my fixtures and stuff, my faucet and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys with the next part. Let me get back to scraping and fixing this tub up. So again, like, subscribe, share. We're gonna apply this Homax Tough and Towel Refinishing Kit to an old tub. All right, be back soon. All right, so overall, I'm pleased with it. I still got, my tape wasn't sticking, so I used some duct tape, but I still want to clean up some caulking once I peel that tape off. But the side, everything looks good. So again, this is, let me turn around. It's the product I use, Tough Towel. Looks good to me. I like it. Sprayed it down, did all that stuff. Still kind of wet, but the shine looks pretty consistent. The bottom, you know, I like it. Overall, I like the product. This is the Homax Tough as Towel. I've been saying it wrong this whole time. Toughest towel. So, Mrjhoward, like, subscribe, share. I'll continue to bring y'all some cool things as I use them, as long as they work. This one's drying pretty good. So on to the next one. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks.